GPS helicopter. It's a UH-60 Blackhawk helicopter. It has GPS, satellites, return to home, flies like a drone. Pretty cool. Here we have 18 satellites on the remote. Return to home function, GPS function. You can fly in auto or manual. You can fly different patterns. Down and out sticks to start. This thing, it flies really smooth. You can let go, hovers itself. Locked in one position. It gives you distance, height right on the remote. We're at 11, 12, 13 meters right there. Rock solid, even with wind. Tremendous breeze. You can hear the wind from the helicopter. Look how solid that hold is. It's got 19 satellites right here right now. There's side to side yaw, turn. It could also fly automatic patterns. I'm doing it manually right now. And what I like about it, it also gives you the battery status of the helicopter here, which is RX. for transmitter, and it gives you the battery for the remote, which is TX. I'm sorry, RX is in the helicopter, that's receiver. Receiver battery voltage, which is the helicopter battery, and TX, which is a transmitter, which is the radio here. Gives you the direction that the helicopter's pointing. Let's change direction, see if it changes. Yeah. Now we're pointing east. Now we're pointing west. And now we're south. That's cool. Gives you height, distance, and speed. Awesome flight.